Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up MongoDB Atlas cluster and connect from Node step by step clearly. To set up a MongoDB Atlas cluster and connect from Node, start by visiting the MongoDB Atlas website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the Build a Cluster button. Choose your cloud provider and region for optimal performance. Select the free tier option for this demonstration. Click on Create Cluster and wait for the cluster to be provisioned. Once your cluster is ready, click on the Database Access tab in the left-hand menu. Create a new database user by clicking on the Add New Database User button. Set a username and a strong password for your database user. Ensure that the user has read and write access to the database. Click Add User to save your database user. Next, navigate to the Network Access tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Add IP address to allow your local machine to connect. Select Allow Access from Anywhere for simplicity, but be cautious with security. Click Confirm to save your changes. Go back to the Clusters tab and click on the Connect button for your cluster. Choose Connect your application from the options. Select the Node.js driver version that matches your project's version. Copy the connection string provided, but replace username and password with your database credentials. Open your Node.js project or create a new one. Install the MongoDB Node.js driver by running npm install mongodb. In your project, create a new file, for example, app.js. Start by requiring the MongoDB package at the top of the file. Use the connection string you copied earlier to connect to the MongoDB Atlas cluster. Wrap your connection code in an asynchronous function. Use a try-catch block to handle any connection errors. Once connected, log a message indicating a successful connection. You can now interact with your MongoDB Atlas cluster through your Node.js application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.